Check this out. Verizon came out with a new plan last month, and yesterday, 2 days before my plan renews, I ran out of data and my phone stopped working. Now, they offer you to go into your phone like they did on the old plan and just hit one of these texts they send you, and you'll get another 1 gigabit of data for $15. So it says send yes to accept this. And I go to do it and not fully realizing that the texting isn't working. I can't send a message out. So I tried, let's just give them a call, which you can do to any carrier by dialing *611 and try to fix this. And look at this, cellular network is not available. Unbelievable. What's going on is they're basically extorting me to go online and pay $15 for another gig in order to get my cell phone service working. If I wanted to spend the last 2 days just surfing Wi-Fi's and keeping my phone going for 2 days and not buying any more data, I can't do it because there's no cellular service. There's no texting allowed. I pay $250 per month to Verizon for phone service that's fully paid, and I can't use the phone.